Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're gonna do some quarter-mile runs with the new 2020 Supra stock. Of course, I'm here at Keystone Raceway Park outside of Pittsburgh, and beautiful fall day in the mid-50s, probably gonna warm up to the 60s. And yeah, I'm excited to get it on the track and see how she does stock before doing any modifications. So stay tuned. All right, guys, getting ready for my first run ever in the 2020 GR Supra. A little nervous. I don't know exactly what settings to use. I'm in sport mode. I am gonna let the transmission shift in auto, and I put the traction middle stability control setting on. So I think I could do a burnout in that setting because I believe it disables traction control but not stability control, but we'll find out. All right, here we go to the burnout box. There was quite a burnout before. I can hardly see. Again, it's been a while since I've been at a drag strip, so you gotta let those first two pre-stay lights light up. Oh, right there. I'm gonna do a little preload. Forgot how easy automatic is. No wheel spin, so that's good. I could probably launch a little harder. Thank you. Welcome. Wow, first run. I gotta make sure I'm the right one here. 12.6. I was just hoping to get into 12s today, and wow, first run 12.6. Again, with the auto, it's like a lot easier than the manual C7. The manual C7 12.5 was my best, so yeah, let's try to improve upon that, but pretty cool. I'm pretty happy so far. All right, guys, this is actually only my second run, and I've been here almost 4 hours. Such is life with drag racing. There's breakdowns. There's a ton of people here today. It's a nice day. And unfortunately, you do a lot of waiting with drag racing. So that is definitely a downfall of drag racing. I don't do it a lot, but I like to see what my car is stock, and then if I do any modifications. So the first run, as a recap, 12.6 at 111 miles per hour. We're gonna hopefully improve upon that the second run. No changes. I have the traction mode and stability in the second setting. You can do a burnout with it, and in case something would happen where the rear end would get loose, it would still kick in. So I kind of like that. Security. And I do have it in sport mode, full auto for the trans, but I did make one change to the sport mode, and I didn't say that earlier. I put the suspension in a normal mode, so this way it's softer and it gets more of a load transfer effect to the rear. So definitely want to do that. You have to run with your windows up, and it has warmed up to the mid-60s, so still pretty nice for drag racing. I thought it was actually going to be a little bit cooler today. some reason the traction control came on that time. Oh, shit, I wasn't in the traction setting, so what am I doing? I didn't get a good burnout. I screwed that up, but I think it was still a pretty good launch. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. 12.4. 12.42 at 111 again. Same speed, but faster ETA. The 60 foot, 1.9. So I definitely improved. Unfortunately, I think that's all I'm going to get today. I don't believe I'll have time for another run. I am happy that I got some baseline runs for a stock vehicle. So why did my stability control come back on automatically? Well, I think I know why. So as you can see here, the tire pressures, Supra actually recommends 38 PSI all the way around, and I had lowered it for this event, and also I just wanted to try running a lower pressure because it seemed so high, 38 PSI. So I did that, and actually it stayed green. All four wheels were still within range, but every now and then, or every time I started it, it would say, check tire pressures at your convenience, but not actually saying it's low. So I think what happened is the computer didn't like that they were low and actually turned the stability control back on. So, in order for you to actually change the tire pressure and have the computer be okay with it, you're going to have to go to your tire pressure monitor and then hit tire settings. And right now I have it changed already. But you would have to go in and change the tire selection to manual instead of automatic. Automatic has it set for those tire size and type of tires, which is 38 PSI. So you put it on manual, and then you also put it on other tire, because again, if you select the tire size, standard tire size, it will put it on at 38 PSI. So once you put other, you go to tire settings, and then you're actually going to have to drive the car around about a mile or so. It took me to perform the reset. Well, I'm not going to reset it again. So back. But yeah, once you do all of that, then you'll get the 32 PSI and the car will be happy. Before, when it was 38 recommended, it set it up here, recommended 38, and it was based on the temperature of the tires actually. But yeah, so this solved my problem. I drove it around. I've been driving around over a week now with that traction setting, and it has not come back on to full setting. So that was the problem, but just be aware that these computers are very picky what you do, and you have to have the correct tire pressure. So guys, let me know if you've had any issues like this on your Supra or BMW. Definitely subscribe for more Supra videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you know when I'm at these race events. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.